Hey there, my name's Derick Van Ness, and I'm here because I want to talk to you about a topic that's near and dear to my heart, and it's probably worth tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars to you. And that's this. The question is your CPA or your tax pro, are they making you more than they're costing you, or are they costing you more than they're making you? What I've said is that most CPAs, I would say 90% of the tax pros that we work with for our clients, are probably drastically underserving you as a high-earning business owner. And just to be clear, we primarily work with people who earn at least $400,000 a year and own a business. And if you do, chances are really good that you're not being served properly. Now let me tell you why, because I don't want to throw these guys under the bus. The reality is most CPAs and tax pros work with mom and pops, work with people who make $50, $100, $150, maybe $200,000 a year. If you earn $400,000 plus, you're probably pushing their ceiling. In fact, you're probably like a 1% client for them. Here's the problem with being a 1% client for those types of CPAs and tax pros. They're not set up to serve you right. They're here to help you do the things that they do for the masses, but they really don't know about advanced strategies. They don't know about outside investments or donation strategies or insurance strategies or core entity structuring or whatever. There's so many things that you can do as a business owner who's also an accredited investor, and it's just not in their wheelhouse. The other thing is this. Most of those CPAs, they're built on volume. They're just processing a lot of people, right? And the reality is that you need someone who can look at your situation, who's working more on quality and less on quantity, so they can be laser focused and help you to identify the opportunities that work for you. So I don't want to bust these guys up because it's not what they do, right? But if you're a small business owner and you're making that kind of money, it's probably costing you tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars to not know about credits you qualify for, write-offs you can be doing, ways to move your money around, ways to donate, how you can invest. There's corporate entity structuring depending on your situation. There's just so many things you can do. So I want to share with you that if you're not proactively getting advice from your CPA, if they're not helping you to understand how you can be more cost effective with your taxes, then you're probably missing money. And it's funny because statistically 70% of us know that we're overpaying taxes. What's funny is the actual number is closer to 92% in the clients that we've looked at that are overpaying taxes, and dramatically, right? So here's a couple of key things. If your CPA doesn't meet with you proactively, if they're not bringing new ideas to the table, if they're not asking questions that would allow them to dig things up, then you're probably being underserved. The truth is, to really do it at the level you're playing, you probably need a tax strategist, maybe a tax attorney, someone who understands entity structuring, and a good tax preparer. So I want you to take a self-assessment, ask yourself, am I getting the advice that I think I can get? And if not, I've got a suggestion for you. One is get a free tax or go to a tax person and get them to do a tax review for you. Even if it's not free, pay them for their time, have them do it. Our firm will actually do a free tax review for you to see if you are overpaying and by how much, to see how much we might be able to help. But if you don't work with us, go talk to them. At the end of the day, what I want for you as a business owner is to have a tax pro that's helping you move forward, that's helping you save money, that's helping you optimize. Most tax pros are trained in school to be accurate and to be compliant and to follow the rules, which is all totally good. I'm not saying to break any rules, but it's not their job to be innovative. It's not their job to seek out different strategies that can help you. And the reality is, if you're one of those 1% clients, there just aren't enough of you in their book of business for them to spend a lot of time on that. So I think it's time, if you're feeling this way, that you find people who are playing at your level. If you're earning that kind of income, you deserve that kind of service and that kind of player and that kind of team to help you. Reach out to us. Let us know if we can help point you in the right direction. We have people that we work with that are great. If not, go to your tax pro, see how they can help you, or go to another tax pro, see if they can give you a second set of eyes on your taxes. I guarantee, even if you only save $20,000 or $30,000 an extra per year, and I think you can do a lot better than that, but even $20,000 to $30,000 a year pays for a lot of college, a lot of vacations, and a lot of good stuff. So my name's Derick Van Ness with Big Life Financial. I want to see you succeed. Let us know if we can help you out here, but appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you on our next video.